Stop scrolling. These 5 powerful electrical testers can find hidden wires, diagnose circuits, test vehicle electronics, and even measure tiny components, so let's see which one deserves a place in your toolbox. First up, Circuit Breaker Finder Kit. Combines a circuit breaker finder, outlet tester, and professional GFCI tester in one compact kit. Its LCD screen shows real-time voltage from 90 to 135 volts and signal strength for precise circuit tracing, while audio and visual alerts help you quickly locate the correct breaker. The GFCI tester can identify 6 common wiring faults and even displays testing duration. With included adapters, alligator clips, batteries, a carrying case, and ETL-certified Cat 135V safety, it's a powerful tool for electricians and DIYers. Fluke Electrical Tester, a powerful tool built to make electrical testing faster and easier. It automatically measures AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts, plus resistance up to 1000 ohms with a built-in continuity test. Its innovative open-jaw design lets you measure current in tight spaces without disconnecting wires, while detachable slim-reach probe tips provide extra reach where standard testers struggle. With integrated protection, it can stay connected to voltage sources longer than solenoid testers, and thanks to its rugged design, it can even survive a 10-foot drop, making the Fluke T6600 a reliable choice for demanding job sites. Electronic Stud Finder. Stop guessing what's behind your walls. This advanced stud finder uses 5 scanning modes to quickly locate wood studs, metal, pipes, joists, and live AC wires. With deep scanning up to 1.5 inches for studs, 2.36 inches for metal, and 2 inches for AC wires, it helps you find the right spot faster. The bright backlit LCD clearly shows stud edges and centers, while audio alerts guide you during scanning. Best of all, continuous wire alerts help you avoid dangerous live wires, making it a must-have for safer home projects. Autel Power Circuit Tester. Diagnosing vehicle electrical problems just got a whole lot easier. This all-in-one tester works with 6 to 30-volt vehicle systems and combines voltage and polarity testing, continuity checks, signal testing, component activation, bad ground detection, and short-circuit locating in one powerful tool. Its 4 working modes measure DC and AC voltage, resistance, and even provide an audio tone for quick testing in dark areas. With an impressive 40 feet of total cable reach, it can activate components like motors, lights, injectors, and fans, making the Autel Power Circuit Tester a must-have for professional technicians and serious car enthusiasts. Proster LCR Meter. If you work with electronic components, this tool can take your testing to the next level. Unlike standard multimeters, it's specially designed to accurately measure inductance, capacitance, and resistance with a clear 3.5-digit LCD display. The rotatable screen makes readings easy to see from different angles, while Data Hold lets you freeze measurements for quick recording. With auto power off, low battery indication, zero adjustment, and included crocodile clips and test leads, this compact meter is ready for component testing, sorting, and troubleshooting right out of the box.